We're here in Lausanne for our very first EMEA user group meeting, and I'm very excited to see how many people have showed up and just the mood and the sharing of experiences. And I get excited to see how we're just all together pushing the boundaries of spatial biology.
The value for a CRO for these kind of meetings is to talk to people with a different perspective. It's really good to meet people who come at it from a different direction.
So I think it was great to see how diverse the questions are that people ask, but also seeing the same challenges that we have and how we address them. And I really believe that bringing the community together allows you to also share that experiences and also really share what failed and not only just what worked. And I think this is great for a user group meeting.
It was really inspiring to see how the community as a whole is taking spatial into patient care.
I learned a lot, and also to see all the people coming together and chatting and what all the technologies and seeing what the others do and how they actually cope with the COMET, the problems but also challenges.
All of the people were very open to discussions, everyone was very welcoming. It was greatly organized, it was a pleasant time all over, it was very nicely scheduled. There were interesting talks, there were great people, so good experience.
I've loved attending this user meeting. It's been really useful to hear all the new product updates, but also talk to other users. If that doesn't convince you to come, then the location is incredible.
Those events are not just super important for us. I think it's even more important for the people to come together. It's not just the direct feedback that we get from the users and how we can improve the products and what we can do, but it's also, listening in how they talk to each other.
Definitely. I think it's been a really useful experience. I also think it'd be useful for more members of my lab to attend so we can get different perspectives. So yeah, I'll definitely be attending again.